Hello and welcome to another episode of Two Lads Garage. Today I'm with the 2001 Pontiac Grand Am. It'll be a fairly simple job, but it's one that the engineers could have made easier. This headlight's burnt out, so we're going to change the bulb. Now specifically in this video I'm going to be upgrading to these LED bulbs. It's the same process if you're doing the halogen bulbs. Either way, I'll walk you through it. I've done this on this car before, so it's, like I said, could be easier, but it's not particularly difficult. I'm going to show you how. Alright, first things first. This plastic header panel has to come off. Now we're already missing several clips on this, but just take your clips, do like yay, they'll come out fairly easily. Now if you're just replacing one bulb, you could just undo one side and flip it away. But since I'm doing the upgrade, I'm taking both sides off. Now, actual lights themselves, you got to get the housings out, which are held in by clips right here. Let me take you down, I'll show you. Alright, right here, that clip right there, that's what holds it in. And they can be a booger to get back in, but to get them out, it's not a whole lot, just pull up on it. There's also another one right here. Leave that as a point of reference. This will be a little more stubborn, so I'm going to use this screwdriver. Actually, rather than try to hold it and do it, I'm going to put y'all back on the stand. Alright, so that's out, so it should pop right out. Let's see, got to reposition y'all again. That right there, there's the headlight bulb that's held in by that clip. Got a twist lock, comes out like that. And if you're doing any of the other lights, they're just twist in as well. You can change them fairly easily. Alright. Supposedly they make a tool for this. Maybe one day I'll actually get it. But especially when you got a new bulb, you don't want to touch the glass on it. There's a stop bulb right there. Now these particular bulbs, they gave me some gloves. That's nice of them. I appreciate it. Will they fit my hands? Surprisingly, yes. Maybe not the best, but they're not anticipated. Also go get the retention ring off. Sylvania. June 13th of 16, so alright, yeah. I couldn't remember when this was last changed. So, feed this through it. Alright, so I'm wearing this as I go. But counterclockwise, take this off. And yes, I know I'm taking a chance working barehanded. That's on me if it don't go right. Stick that there. Put this back on here. As now we got the retention thing on. Now just stick it in the hole. Connect the wires. This is the most tricky part of the whole thing, is getting this back in. You gotta get the adjuster and everything to go where it should. Get the clips to line up. This is where I get so aggravated with them. That one's in. Alright, so that's not so bad. It helps I got a few of these under my belt. But yeah, anybody should be able to change the lights in these. Just real quick, go through the other one. And there's really no difference between one side and the other. Now before I put the header panel thing back on, I'm going to want to go ahead and test it. I'm doing this because it may not be a bulb, it might be a wiring issue. It's most likely not, but with the luck I've had here recently, wouldn't surprise me. Oh yeah, we got lights. We'll be able to see at night now. Alright, so that'll do it for this edition of Two Labs Garage. And I'm not a professional mechanic, but I've done this a few times. I've been involved with this car since I started dating my wife back in 2010, so 13, almost 14 years now. It is currently 12:21. I started this at 12 on the dot, so you can do this during your lunch break. 21 minutes, I got both lights changed. I do need to put the header panel back on, but we saw how quick it came off. It should go in a jiffy. The one on the driver's side did fight me a little bit getting it back in, but still, 21 minutes, 2 headlights, I'm not complaining. Drive safely at night, make sure your headlights are working. And until next time, take care of yourself, take care of each other, take care of your projects, take care of your headlights. God bless you, and I will see you again soon.